Hello and welcome to our Angular tutorial on defining CSS variables in component styles. Let's start by importing the necessary core components from Angular. Here, we're importing component and onInit, which are essential building blocks for creating Angular components. Next, we use the @component decorator to define our component, which will be called @ThemeComponent. This is the custom selector we will use to add this component to our HTML templates. Within the template, we're creating a div element and assigning it the class themed component. This div will display the text, "This is a themed component," on the screen, styled with the CSS variables we define. In the styles section of our @component decorator, we define the CSS for themed component. Notice the use of CSS variables, primary color and secondary color. These are custom properties set up with specific color values. We then use these variables to set the background and text color of our component. This makes it easy to change these colors site-wide by simply adjusting the variable values. Finally, we export our theme component class, which implements the onInit lifecycle hook interface. The constructor is standard in Angular for dependency injection, and ng-onInit is a lifecycle hook where we can place initialization logic. In this case, we've kept these methods empty as we don't need any additional logic for our themed component.